future part of their lives. So I think as you're contemplating those stories and why you did that molding that particular way, or why you were inspired by that ionic column, it's not going to bore people to, it will if you go too long, but like me in 3 minutes. But in all honesty, if you share those stories and give them something that they can share and carry it on, and I really encourage this with people that worked with me over the years. I said, think about that consumer that's really busy and has got to go pick up the kids and got to do everything else. What is it we can tell them about that piece that made you want to use your skills and your capabilities to create? And my caution, sustainability, a parasite can't sustain themselves unless there's a host. And I've said this ever since I've been in this industry. It's the most loving industry, and I've been the beneficiary of a lot of love over the last couple of months. It's a caring industry. It's an unbelievably talented industry that is being destroyed and commoditized because, well, this is Hickory Chair's bestseller and I want you to make this one for me. This is so-and-so's bestseller and I want you to do this one for me. And if you prostitute yourself and accept that, you're destroying this industry. At whatever price point or whatever level it is, and you've worked hard and you've studied hard, and it's unfortunate that the demand requires you to do that, but you know what? If that's it, you don't want to be in this industry. I would come back to them with creative solutions and say, you know, I thought that was a great looking chair. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. Oh, you like that Marlboro leg and everything. That's great. Now, you know what? I was looking at this, and I think if we expanded those wings and just flared them a little bit more, and changed that pitch just a little bit, and maybe worked on this, we're actually going to improve upon that. That is creativity. That is design. And we need to really focus that. And when the people say, I don't care, do it. Don't. Because you're feeding. You have to have enough, we all have to have enough pride and sustainable conviction that that parasite, that activity is not in their best interest. And you, as a talented and creative person, need to protect them from themselves in some cases. And I want to end on a note that enhancing the value of design and sustaining the value of design are somewhat of synonyms. You enhance the value by your talent and those little details that you can explain so that they can be explained to that person making that conscious decision, that salesperson making that presentation. And it's sustainable because you are creating a situation where those people will share those stories with friends and share that excitement that they had in making a valuable purchase, so they'll come back and look for more of those distinctive objects instead of looking for whatever the cheapest thing is because they can't tell the difference.